When you put your suction, when you put your saliva ejector into your suction, you want to make sure that the suction hose is not going to be twisting and curling, because if you get it in the place you want, but this cord is not right, it's going to pull. So don't let it be under tension, don't let it be all goofy. Have it proper, and then it'll stay put. If you don't, if it was twisted this way and you tried to put it in, it would pull. So you always want to have.
Leaving?
So you rotate it.
Okay.
So
Bye.
you rotate. Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you next week.
So you rotate it in this fashion to get it so it's going to stay put.
Oh. So rotated where the.
Yeah. So sometimes the handle, this will be here, and it just depends on when you pull it off the unit.
Vehicle right now.
Okay. If we're going to do it for the other side. Of course, we got all this junk in the way,
Yeah.
Is it the same thing if you use a finger? That's fine.
I just use because I have.
With your finger.
Yeah, you could coil
yeah.
it with your finger
There
if
you
you
go.
wanted. Wait a minute. Try not to knock all this on the ground if you plan. Okay, now I had
See,
to
that's perfect.
I had to rotate this one a little bit in the opening. You see where the on-off switch is?
Mm-hmm.
For the left side, it's in a little bit different position than it was on the right.
I mean, that makes a huge difference when you're doing.
And if you run your cord around the arm of the chair and come up this way instead of having it hang out the commissure, you know how many times it falls on the floor and you waste time picking it up?
Yep.
If you do it so the hose has got distance to have to travel before it hits the floor, then you can typically catch it.
It'll
Plus,
just be hanging.
if the patient decides to
Yeah.
twist or turn, or what did you say?
It comes right off.
Yeah. Okay, so that was the left, and then I turn my patient's head to the side where I've got this, and see, and then for the right, I had to rotate it a little bit. Okay?
That would have helped me out so
All
much.
right.